Good morning, student. This is your BSc Physics semester first paper, second Physics principle and application. Chapter 5th is applications of electromagnetic waves. There are so many applications in electromagnetic waves we have to use day by day in our life. First one is microwave oven. First of all, principle of microwave oven. The microwave oven is to generate microwave radiation to appropriate frequency in the working space of the oven where we keep food. The energy is not wasted in heating of the vessel. In the conventional heating method, the vessel on the burner gets heated first and then the food inside gets heated because of transfer of energy from the vessel. In the microwave oven, on the other hand, energy is directly delivered to water molecules which are shared by the entire food. This is the principle of microwave oven. Then working of microwave oven. A microwave oven works as follows. First one is electrical energy in the form of low voltage, alternating current and high voltage direct current is transformed and converted into direct current. Second one is a magnetron. This is the uh, source of the microwave oven. Use this direct current and generate microwave with a frequency of 2.45 gigahertz with a wavelength of 12.24 centimeter. The microwaves are directed by an antenna at the top of the magnetron into a waveguide. These are the some pictures of microwave. This is the diagram of microwave oven. This is magnetron. This is the source generator of electromagnetic waves. These are the oven chamber. This is the oven chamber, and we keep the food in this chamber. This is control unit. You can control the or set the time of the food. And this is transformer. You should get the power in this microwave oven. Transformer is converted into AC or DC, whatever may be. Okay. This is the how to cook food. This is waveguide. This is magnetron. Magnetron produces so electromagnetic waves and transfer to this chamber through waveguide. This is power supply and fan. Okay. This is turntable. This is turntable. They rotate 360 degree. Okay. These are the how to cook the food or how to use water in this cooking. These are the actual diagram of microwave setting. This is the control panel. These are the time. You should set the time. And these are the some buttons of the microwaves. The waveguide channel microwaves to a fan-like device called as stirrer, which disperse them inside the oven cavity. The microwave then reflect off the metal walls of the oven's interior and are absorbed by molecules in the food. Because each wave have a positive and negative component, the molecules in the food are jostle. Jostle means jerk, dhakka dene. Okay, back and forth at twice the rate of the microwave frequency, namely 4.9 billion times a second. This is the jostle 4.9 billion times a second. That's why the food is cooked very fastly. The most prominent characteristics of microwave heating is volumetric heating, which is quite different from conventional heating, where the heat must diffuse in from the surface of the material. We have to see in last study. This is the directly absorbed by the food. That's why it's cook fast. Volumetric heating means the material can absorb microwave energy directly and internally and convert it into heat. It is these characteristics that leads to advantage using microwave to process material. Microwave have three characteristics that allow them to be used in cooking. First one is they are reflected by metals. Microwave chambers are metal, fabricated by metals. They have reflected the rays, and that's why all rays are absorbed by food. Second one, they pass through glass, paper, plastic, and similar materials. They are absorbed by food. Okay, that is why food with high in water content like fresh vegetables can be cooked more quickly than other foods. The microwave energy is changed to heat as soon as it is absorbed by food. Microwave cooking does not reduce the nutritional values of foods any more than conventional cooking. In fact, food cooked in microwave oven may keep more of their vitamins and minerals because microwave oven can cook more quickly and without adding water. They use only self water to vegetables and other materials. Glass, paper, ceramic, or plastic containers are used in microwave cooking because the microwaves pass through them. Although such containers cannot be heated by microwaves, they can become hot from the heat of the food cooking inside. Plastic containers should not be used in microwave oven as they can be melted by the heat of the food inside. This is the microwave